Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would like honey and sweet dishes. After performing the Asr prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would visit his wives. One day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha and overstayed with her. When I asked the reason, I was informed that a woman belonging to Hazrat Hafsa's tribe presented her honey in a leather bag, and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha presented the sharbat of honey to Allah's Apostle to drink. I said to myself, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will contrive a plan regarding it. So I mentioned it to Hazrat Sauda, saying, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam will visit and come close to you, you should say, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, have you consumed maghafir? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam will say, no. You should then submit, what kind of a smell is this? And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would detest it, that any foul smell might be perceived from him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam will definitely say, Hafsa, give me sharbat of honey to consume. You thereupon should say, perhaps the honeybees might have sucked the nectar of Urfat, a thorny tree, and I will pass the same statement. And O Safiya, you should also say the same. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha, Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha states, by that saves him, there is no worthy of worship. Fearing you, I intended to say what you had directed me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam had hardly reached the gate when Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, have you taken maghafir? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha then submitted, what is this smell then? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Hafsa has served me honey syrup to take. Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha said, perhaps the honey bees might have sucked the nectar of Urfat. Then, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited me, I passed the same remarks. And later, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha, she as well passed the same statement. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha, she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should not I serve honey to you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I am not in need of it. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that Hazrat Sauda radiyallahu anha submitted, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we have made honey forbidden for him. I thereupon said to her, keep quiet. This narration has been reported with another authority. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3664.